Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So I got my second order from Rare Seeds in the mail yesterday. So we're going to be going over each variety here, and I'm going to be giving some information on them and why I picked them. So up first here we have a Salvia Queen mix, and this is a mixture of pink and purple colors. And this is a perennial in zones 3 to 8. So I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. So this will be a perennial for me. And this here, it has beautiful spikes that it puts out on it, and it has a long blooming season. So you can use this for cut flower production. And I do plan on using mine for cutting. So this will bloom the first year from seed, providing that you start your seeds early enough, and it will, as it establishes itself over the years, it will bloom more. So the next one here, this is a Rudbeckia, and this is a caramel. Now this ranges in colors from caramel to vintage rose. Now this can self-sow itself. It is not a perennial in my area, but I can grow it as an annual. So I do want to use these for cut flower production because they're saying that you can use them for that. So I'm looking forward to getting to see what this one here looks like. My free gift was a Henderson's black-seeded Simpson lettuce. Now, I've never grown the Henderson strain of this. I have grown other strains of the black-seeded Simpson lettuce, and it's a very pretty pale kind of chartreuse color lettuce, and it tastes very good, very tender, very sweet. This variety here is from the 1870s, so looking forward to getting to try this one here. And some of your varieties, they do have different strains to them. So if you have a particular specific one that you like, just make sure that you're getting the same one. Like this one here, being that's an heirloom, it will see true, providing it doesn't cross with anything else. So we have the Old Spice Sweet Pea Mix. I've grown these before. Now just a word of caution here. All parts of this plant are poisonous, so you want to keep this away from children and pets. And like I said, I have grown this one before. It has a beautiful, beautiful fragrance to it. Very long blooming season, providing that you keep removing the spent blossoms. You can use this for cutting, for cut flowers. And, I'm trying to think, there was something else I wanted to tell you about this. It does work in containers, providing that you do trellis it. And there was something else. I'm trying to think. The colors of this one here are very gorgeous, and it's very highly fragrant. I'm trying to think. There was something. Oh yes, the heat resistance. That's what it was. Yes, this here did bloom for me for a very long season, even into like July and August. So that's what I wanted to tell you. I knew it was something. And then we have the Livingston Daisy Pastel Mix. And these like it hot and they like it dry. So the foliage of this is supposed to be sort of like an ice plant. And I have the Grabera daisy growing, but I'm not getting all the blooms off of that I was hoping to. And these sort of, in my opinion, look kind of like Grabera daisy blooms. So I'm really looking forward to getting to try this here. This is a surface sow for these seeds here, and see how this works out for us. And then we have a daisy variety here. And this is not the type of chamomile that you can make a tea out of or that you can drink. I'm not sure why they have that on there. It's like in the same family, but it's not one that's like making teas and edible. I'm really looking forward to the blooms of this one here. So this one here is hardy in zones 3 to 7. And some people said that it was very invasive. It does easily self-sow, they say, but honestly, for one, I'm going to be cutting the blooms because they say, whoops, sorry. They say that you can use this for cut flower production, so I'm going to be cutting it. And if you don't want it to self-sow, just keep removing the blossoms off of it when they're spent. It will also prolong your blooming season on it. And I'm really looking forward to getting to try that. So, this is what I picked out here, and some new stuff that I'm looking forward to getting to try. You can check out my other video that I did for my other order that I had gotten. I'll have a link down at the end of this video. I do plan on coming back with videos when I start these from seed. I really couldn't find too much information out on this. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to tell you that I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.